guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It would surely help our channel. Happy reading!
Hey everyone, this is chapter 59 titled Liu Lang's Plot. Let's start reading. Russell, so ginabi na yung sinampay. At di pa po kinukuha. Ba't di mo pa kinukuha yan? It's already nighttime. And he's done eating. Where are you going? Oh nga, you're still having dinner with them. I'll go cut firewood. What? Is he angry today? Well, sort of. Paano kasi nandun pa yung damit niya, umuulan na, di mo niligpit? Charot. Chow, the roof is leaking. Oh, I'll go take a look. So since hindi kaya, ni Liu lang ayusin yan, for sure ikaw mag-aayos. See, tumutulo na yung bahay nila. Oh, so sad. Chow, look, my bedding is all wet. You can sleep on my bed tonight. Oh, yeah. I'll fix the roof when the rain stops. Kala ko ngayon niya ayusin. Yeah, I can sleep with Chow. Aba, gusto naman ng batang to. Jinkung, have a nice dream. You too. Chow's bed. For sure, hindi papayag sa Liu Lang. Hihilahin ka ni Liu Lang. Chow's pillow and Chow's... Sabi ni, ay hindi. Si Grandma ang kumuha sa kanya. You'll sleep with me tonight. Huh? Ayaw niya makitulog kay Lola. No. Why? Because I want to have a great grandson. Sleep. Diyos talaga tong Jinkong na to. You bad. I don't want to sleep with you. Shut up. You don't have a say. The bride is always pestering Gujiao at home, which is not good. Jinkong is actually old enough. How about tomorrow I find a private school for him? I-enroll na nila sa school. That's a good idea. I didn't expect you to be so thoughtful. I-enroll na nila para hindi na hindi na istorbo. Ay, blushing yarn. I'm going to take a bath. 2 hours later. Ang tagal mo namang maligo, 2 hours. I'm back. Ikaw ba naman maligo ng 2 hours? Siyempre, yung kasama mo, tulog na. Sarap na ng tulog ni Gujiao. She's asleep. Ay, she kicked off the blanket. Talk. And turn off the lights. Why is he blushing? I have nothing to be nervous about. Yep. Turn over. Kiss. Ikaw lang naman pala nag-i-imagine yan eh. Akala ko si, Jinkong. Ikaw din pala? Ay, hindi. Yun talaga nangyari. Napatayo. I was. Your was what? Joe is drooling. This is not right. I have to push her away. Bouncy. That feels Iba yun. Iba yung nahawakan mo, boy. Bakit kasi tutulak mo pa siya? Lit-lit na nga ng bed, nagtutulak ka pa. Flush. Excuse me. He's blushing. I just touch her. Hindi matay ka ngayon. Talaga. Napaka-conservative ni Liu lang, ano? Thanks to the medicine prepared by Grand Aunt and the herbal medicine brought by Liu Lang. Pagpahinga siya. Yan. My back injury feels much better after a good night's sleep. Pero parang yung isa dito nagkukundi na pa. Hindi nakatulog. Did you not sleep well? Hindi talaga. Kita-kita naman sa mga, black eyes. Morning. Clunk. I found a private school in town. Jing Kong can go to school today. Today? Talaga. Wala talaga siya sa mood. Yu Lang was distracted by Zhao. I forgot to mention it yesterday. I have a feeling that is Yu Lang's plot. Ayaw niyang mag-aral kasi ayaw niyang mapalayo kay Zhao. Children from wealthy families would hire private tutors at the age of 5 and study at home. Oo, ganun dati. When they turn 6 or 7 and can read 1,000 characters, classic, they'll be sent to clan schools or private schools. Jinkung is young, but he's very smart. Also, he has studied in the temple, so there shouldn't be any problems. Matalino naman din talaga si Jinkung. It's clearly a conspiracy. Galit na galit talaga yung maliit. Where is the private school? Oh no, he's smiling. I think there's some twist here. It's near Tiansheng Academy, and it's been operating for 10 years. They have a private school class. Their timetable is similar to mine. He can go to school with me every day. So, bibit-bitin niya si Jinkong, making sure na hindi sila magsusulo ni Zhao. Ang galing din to si Luso. Here it comes. Liu Lang is trying to separate me and Zhao again. Do you want to go to school, Jinkong? Siyempre, tatanungin ni Zhao. I don't ka, pero tignan mo yung mukha ni Liu Lang. Sige, mag-I don't ka ngayon. But if I say so, I'll become a kid who hates studying. This is Liu Lang's trap. But if I go to school, Zhao won't be able to see me all day. I'm so smart that I won't fall for your trick. That's alright. I'll take you to school in the morning and wait for you at the village entrance in the evening. If I have time, I'll go to private school and pick you up. See, wala kang lusot, boy. Hatid sundo ka na lang. Okay, since you want me to go to school, then I will. Wala kang lusot. Papasok at papasok ka. And that's final. Ba't nagsiselos yan? Selos pa rin yan, Liu Lang. Di pa baon. Jinkung, this is the gift you are bringing for your teacher. You have to take good care of it. I'm a good boy who can bring the gift to the teacher myself, but I won't see you today, Zhao. Nanghihingi ng kiss. He's asking for a kiss. Of course, there's a goodbye kiss. Ooh, I have 2 kisses from Zhao. Crunkle. Liu Lang, my carriage. Oh, what's wrong? Bye, Chow. Hindi wala man ng goodbye kiss para kay Liu Lang. Ngayon galit-galit tuloy. This is a good opportunity to expand and renovate the house while the roof is leaking. So mag-aano siya. Lalagay siya extension. Xiaoxun will have a place to stay when he comes back. Oh, so she will be adding another room. Gotta check how much money we have deposited in the Manny house. Oh, it was Liu Lang who put it, right? Yung extra dun sa kinuha niya. Excuse me. Saka talaga ng lalamunan ko, guys. So bear with me. Sir? Pumunta na siya sa bangko. Can you please tell me how much money I have deposited here? Sure thing. Wait a minute. Siyempre, check niya, di ba? He didn't say how much was deposited, but there should be at least 110 taels. You have a total of 1,100 taels. 1,100 taels! Right, 1,100. Huh? Are you sure you didn't make a mistake? Is it really 1,100 taels? Yep. So you can really make an extension now. Zhou money house values reputation. We won't cheat on your money. Oh my gosh. So that's it. That's how much money Liu Lang got for them. Anyway, that's the end for this chapter. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye!
Thank you for reading with me, everyone.